Hello guys, welcome back. So I have already have done 3 hours of coding, but my internet connection was so low that I couldn't stream, and then the YouTube will not work, so I couldn't stream. But I already have done 3 hours of coding. But I today really want to do coding, so let me wait a second. I'm gonna mute this. So guys, today I'm going to make three projects. Okay, I already have made a one, but it was easy, you can say, as and because I also had wanted to do video editing and other sort of things. There are a lot of other things that I wanted to do, but I couldn't able to do. So this was important to make projects. I These are what type projects I want to. If I complete all of these projects, then I will be enough good in. I think I will be very good because there are lots of very hard projects, but and so I have completed this project. Now I will do this project, second simple weather app. Then I will do this project, and lastly we are going to end with this rock paper and scissors game. Or maybe then the fifth one, simple day planner. But simple day planner is just like, I don't know, man. I have to see what I'm gonna make with that. But I don't have idea. I think I was thinking like what I was thinking like was like Google Calendar type. Yeah. So let's go, guys. But first, I'm going to get some energy drink. It's not real, and it's electrolyte that the doctor's prescribed me because I'm very tired all of the time. So let me just get it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Guys. Let's go. So all over here. Yeah, this is what my brother has made. I'm gonna take a bit of reference with this, bit of reference with that. But let's first start with. So this is what I'm going to. This was app that my brother uses, and it's also open source. So this is what I'm going to teach. This is how I'm going to teach you guys what I have learned and how APIs work. So we have a teaching tool, we have a learning tool, we have all the projects to make. Let's get started. So what we're gonna get is first we're gonna take the documentary documentation. First I was gonna sign in. Sorry guys, you guys have to just feel the loneliness for some time. Yeah, I'm gonna talking man. If I'm not, it's mainly because someone is here in the room by here. But let's do it. Do it. Uh, mm, create an account. Mm, 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 No what? Very decor button. Not very decor button for people don't know this is that he is the goat. He's the goat man. Oh man, I'm signing man. Cool man, cool. He what it mean? It's actually live. Sorry guys, my brother was here. Let's just close this and API key. Now let's try the documentation. Time for documentation thingy. API, current weather and forecast. Guide. Or is there no documentation, man? Okay, active. Open weather documentation. And dude, don't guys document anything, right? No. Docs. Give me some documentations, man. Give me some documentation, man. How am I gonna do it, man? And tell me how to use that API. And a sweet API, man. And let's see how much, because I already have given. So let me just do a stop off and see how much, and how much time does it take us. And for the guys who don't know, I waked up literally at 3, man. I was doing coding from then, man. But I also slept for a little bit. Man, no, man. Open weather doesn't work, man. What the fuck, open weather? Documentation. Documentation. Guide. Man, we need some docs, man. Give us some docs, man. Open weather. Open weather. Open. Is that the same? I don't think it's the same open weather, man. What the hell is happening, man? I don't know, man. Really. This man is using an API of another thing. Give me some code, man. Come on. Don't tell me to ask GPT, man. Hey, GPT. Coding buddy. Hey, GPT. Hey. Hey, GPT. GPT, 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 GPT. Nothing's working. So, guide. Huh? Huh? Man, I don't have internet, man. And don't tell me again the stream will end like before. And then I'll not do streaming, man, because my frames drop, man. I was not able to do coding, man. I think I'm gonna add the stream, man. When I make the producer, I will go notify you. I don't have the internet. Guys, welcome back. Tonight we have some docs. We got some docs and we got some API key. Let's go. That's what we need. Hmm. Hello. This is how we chat. Hello, chat GPT. How it's done. And then I'm gonna say, I want, I want create a chat GPT. I want to create a. Hmm, I want to create a. I want to create a weather app. This is its top. Shift and I paste this on. Boom. Mm. Open one. Mm. No one going to say to me the ChatGPT has made it, man. No, no, man. It's made of me, man. And I don't want to understand how this key works because it's really now how this like especially here uh, right here because it's upon this API, but it's very easy to listen. We just add API key is equal to and Q is equal to easy, man, easy. I'm going to copy GPT, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm not doing anything myself. Okay, let's do it. If the world was ending, God, I want to be next to you. So if the see, you have to copy ChatGPT, okay? Okay. Then I can understand code, okay? But it's made by me, work by me. Let's just that to CSS. CSS. Dot, yes, dot man. Man. Script.css. This is script when I'm running script. Yes, this is right. And this is what we. If the world was ending, I don't want to be next to you because I'm a world. Oh, control Z. Man, yes, man. If the world. When I understand all of this code, then what do I have? Why do I have to write this code if I already understand it? Dun, 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 dun. Let's say how GPT does in front end. I mean, GPT is take our people that are saying GPT is going to take our jobs. I said, man, I don't have any jobs, man. But other than it, no one is going to take it. It's going to just produce some sweet results like this, man. Sweet results. Yes. Man, what a fuck, man. What a fuck. It's the worst fucking view I ever seen, motherfucker. So, let's not get into the UI. I'm gonna completely rechange the UI, but let's get to JS, okay? Let's get to this. I'm gonna teach you on my C. I'm not going to teach CSS or this. Okay, I'm just gonna briefly explain to you. First with the HTML, one and only. all of you guys gonna understand it because I'm the best teacher in the world. People give me lots of money. I'm in earning billions, man. I'm not just learning right now, man. Uh, uh, First, boilerplate here. Link to the CSS. Now let's go. Body div. It's a box. It's cursor weather container. Weather app. The header. Okay, weather app. And why is it not? Uh, and it's not changeable. So weather app. So I'm gonna write with the look. And the look. Okay. Input. Okay, input. Okay. Oh man, why do I? Okay, so now this is input. Type text. Input type text. Okay. ID T input. It's an ID and plus to enter this name. I just want to know. I think there are lots of types of inputs. Type text. Okay. That's why because I also learned things, but there's not that much to go deep in HTML. It's waste of time and button ID search btn and get weather. We are using id first of all to use this in css and also because we are going to target it in js. Now do info class info rather details will appear here. uh let's just see. If the weather detail appear, let's see what appear. Hello, man, worst UI, man. Weather info. Okay, still we are going to look at basic, then I'm going to upgrade it. Okay, just make it work. Now let's get in css. In css. Okay, let's go. So the universal margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, font family. It's a very simple. It's a universal selector because a browser gives its own margin padding. That's why it's 0 to completely nullify it. And it's the CSS is a hierarchy. I don't know this known cascading steel shite. I called this like, but it's a hierarchy. This is the lowest hierarchy. Then it's greater. Then it's greater. But it's not important to learn that very much. I don't know. I have learned it, but it has a long time. But I know it has a hierarchy. The more specific you get, more things you do. Like ID tag has more power than this. But if I write, it's called important. Important. It's like this something like this. Yes, this. Then this will always be at the what control Z. Okay, I want to just have to create this. So this will never change. This is the top priority, but we are not going to make. Of course, we want to make margins. Okay. Box sizing. The CSS is on a box model. It when you say box sizing border box, it means in the box the width height we are giving the box should include the border margin padding. Border margin. I don't think margin, but border. Yeah, man. Border margin padding. Yeah, it includes all of these. Yeah. Background color. Simple. This color display flex. It's aligning it to horizontally center and vertically. Vertically is horizontally centering, and height 100 vs2 so it can take up all the view height. Zero margins. uh, Dot with the container background color. This is all color padding 20, border radius 10, text align center width 90, max width 400. It means it's gonna take 90% of body. That's what I'm gonna think, man. Let me just see it. तुमने हमको जो देखा है सनम तुम्हारी आंखों में गोली मार दूंगा. Let us see. Yeah, see. It is on to the world I see. It is going to be bit, okay? Day man. So max it's gonna take 900. 900. And why is in center? Because of flex. Max width 400 pixel box shadow. Very easy. I'm like to make my shadow even bigger. Padding 10 of this. So it can do this crazy man. Margin bottom, so it can do this. Border none, border radius by pixel. What's green? This is what you get. So this you get Zoka, so it has the hover, yeah. Hover color white, the text color padding 10. It's going to give 10 padding. 10 here, 10 here padding. Let's show, 10 here padding, 10 here padding. Border none. It is border there, but now it's going to be none. Now border none, border radius 5 pixel, and cursor pointer. So this is a cursor, this is point. Boom. However, weather info, margin top, font 16, font size 16. That is invisible to us right now. I just explained the whole code, man. I'm crazy, man, and no person going to tell I'm just copying from ChatGPT. Understand all of this, and when you understand it, it's okay, man. Then why is ChatGPT for, man? It's gonna take my job really for if I don't use it, man. I have to use it, man. What the hell, man? Come on, man. Now the most important part, JS. One. Const city input document dot get element city input. City input I think is going to be this. No. Let me guess seed, man. City input, city input, city. And div weather container. This is the city input. That what is that it is city input. It's my input. Okay. It's going to be our input, and then we're gonna search BT, and this is this. And then weather info, that is going to be the invisible div that is going to show off the information. And we are gonna work on this UI like crazy. We're gonna make this crazy UI, man. The the best. Okay, man. Oh yeah. Let me, man, do I do, is it important to quote it in double quotes? Now, if in the comment is bro copies from ChatGPT, I'm gonna kill these guys because I explained the whole fucking code. Whew. And again, I'm gonna tell you, if you know the code, it's not important to write it. It's important to just understand it, and I can easily understand it. Easy. Okay, function to fetch weather data. Why you are going to make it a function? Because whenever we gonna it has a event listener of party, and it says add event listener. Man, got it. Mm, mm, okay. Dot then response. If response dot okay, then means it's okay. Screen not found. Okay. I, I think this is called not operator. Not operator. I think so. So if it's not dot okay, it's gonna throw an error. Screen not found. Oh, or return dot js. Simple. So then data display whether data. That's data. dot then dot as well. So what I have learned from ChatGPT dot then is, so first we are calling this, okay, then it's going to dot then. It's also a promise because it takes a lot of time. It's asynchronous. That's because we are going to get ahead and we are not going to wait in here. So it's asynchronous. Let's go. So for it's going to first get us API. Okay. Then dot when the response is okay. Then it's going to parse it in JS. Okay. Then what is going to do? Then the valuable the data here, and what I have learned from GPT is the valuable information. So we are going to display weather data, and it's also function dot catch error. What? Um, I have started to learn dot then, but I have taken lots of effort to learn dot then, but I still can't understand it fully. Mm. Dot catch error. Okay, first it throwed an error. If it threw an error, it cached it. First it throwed an error, then it cached the error, and then sterilize the error message. Okay. Somewhere I was thinking, so there it made error. When it made error, it catches the error. Book catches it, man. Bruce was powerful, man. I still want to learn dot then data. What's it? What is it? The data is it? For now, a dot then is used to first it parses it. First it gets a response. It parses it to .json. That means it makes it JavaScript viable. It returns this to this. Oh, no, understand it, man. No, understand it. Okay, man. I think now I understand it. Why we use dot then is because it's gonna take time to parse this. So it dot then is another promise that it is going to show the data. So it is just a parsed version of response. Data is just a parsed version of data. Man, we're gonna also experiment with that, but let's do no no. So this is our data. Okay. Simple. Okay. Okay. Function display weather data. What's parameter of this data? Simple as hell. Const location comma current is equal to data. Eh? Const location dot mm, weather information. Uh, yeah, it has learned the documentation, so it knows what to do, man. What to do? Click when it clicks is equal to city. Okay, okay. Now it's making the city. Okay, okay. Dot value. Man, Oh, let's just see Paris. And and ChatGPT has made it for us, but we have understood some things. The thing I don't understand is this. What is this? And and for the people I don't understand this. That's what I'm going to say. But there's a huge butt. But that I understand. I understand this. It's just dot inner HTML. It changes the string, I think so, into HTML and dot inner HTML. What it does it the inner? It also it changes it. Okay, it changes it the strings into the real HTML. Uh, 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 uh. You see that here? Right here? Right here. Win. Let's say to GPT. What is this for, motherfucker? What's this for? What is this for, motherfucker? What's this for, man? What's this for, man? I don't understand this part of code. You pop boom. It has written lots, but mm, yes. Oh, oh. Oh, you can unpack. Man, I understand the code, but let me just bring my charger and we Welcome back, guys. Let's do this. Alright. What we're gonna do is first thing. What you're gonna do is I want to get to the red bar, but but no, not gonna be red bar. So let me just say it straight up. No, you're gonna make it more complex because it's no good thing to just make my own code right now. Now I'm going to delete its code. Not that good. I'm gonna refurnish its code, but let's do this. Let's gonna first see what he was telling us. Okay. He was not telling us. Signal man. Please go. And what the basic? Okay, let's see how good is it on taking on errors. And I will tell you how it takes on error. Right? Let's say let's read it as T not found. What was going behind that error? Let's let me tell you guys okay? What was going behind it. Let's let me tell you. So if it was okay throw an error city not found, okay. Then you throw the error, it also catches the error. So it doesn't really show error, but it catches the error, and then it in the P paragraph style color red, it's gonna print that error. So that's why we see city not found. Actively in the Canada, India. Oh, what you're going to redesign? First, what we're going to redesign is the UI. Let me show you what I mean. First, a a big man blue. Okay. First, what we're gonna say? A big blue weather look. Okay, and just there. there. I can't write it, man. Uh, and so, what is small, man? Still small, man. It's here, man. Like I made this too big, mate. Made it smaller, man. Smaller. Make okay. Still big, man. What what the hell? Still big, man. What's happening, man? What is happening? Okay, man. First, what you gonna write is weather. Look, I think it should be much smaller. It's not made to become to be this big. Yeah. Not now we are able to see it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. First, you wanna say weather. Look. Second, what the parameters that we want to look for. Okay. Yeah. Let's read it. Hmm. Yeah, call you. WeatherAPI.com provides access to free weather and geo via XML and RESTful API. It allows developers to create a web app and mobile apps using this very ease. We provide following data through our API: real-time data, 14 weather, those historical weather, marine weather, and trident future weather up to 300 days ahead, daily and hourly intervals, 15-minute interval, enterprise only astronomy, astronomy, time zone, sports, location, search or auto-complete API, weather alerts, air quality data. I'm also going to add air quality data, solar irradiance, and all of these things. Okay, I'm gonna make the best man. Ooh. Also, you need to sign up manually under your contact or what is Swagger do? What is Swagger do? Yeah, If it's gonna help me use some APIs, I'm not going to shy away. Gonna take some authentic API access. Data is protected by an API key. If at any time you find an API key has been vulnerable, please regenerate the key using the next API. Authentication to the API. API is by pushing API and request parameter to an API. A parameter your API. Request to whether API consists of URL, base of URL, and API method. The request to whether whether API.com consists request to whether API.com API consists of base URL, API, and API method. You can make both HTTP and HTTPS request to our API. Base UPI. Let's see. Mm, mm, okay. Methods to move current weather, current JS. See, this is what I can't understand. Current weather JSON dot or current JSON dot XML forecast. Let me just go. I will just requirement API key. I need an API key, and this is what helps ChatGPT helps us with to learn this. This is some very hard stuff. Query based on visualization where it could be found. Days. Number of days of forecast required. But required for very very sorry guys, but I don't think I'm gonna make some complex because I don't understand this doc, man. I don't understand this doc. What the hell is this doc, man? I don't understand this doc, man. What the hell is this doc, man? There's some woo wah wah ha wah ha code, man. And what I made is, I think, is good enough. And what is this? API current weather current is what? What the hell? And how did GPT know that I had to use? Hello. क्या वीडियो And I have come back. But I think it's good enough, and I don't think I want to make more because it's just waste of time, huh? So waste of time. How do we look at another temperature? I want to look at um, world world coldest place. Coldest. Yeah. Umianka, umianka. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no. Kanduti. Boom. Honestly. Oh Yanka, oh Yanka, kan. Sina no control me. Oh Yanka. Oof, oof. Oh Yanka. More. Man, this is accurate. Oh Yanka, oh Yanka. Never die. Hmm. But I want to see how did you learn the documentation. And I'm understanding a bit with this documentation, but it is learning. It is learning. I don't know, man, why. To feel that it didn't never was ending. I want to be. Let's see how. Let's see. If the world was ending. Beat up, up, boop, boop, beat up, up, boop, boop, beep, up, up. Beat up, up, boop, boop, beep, up, up, beat up, up, din, din, din. Hello, GPT, tell me how can I under can I pick up complex text relevant with its document doc. I was saying when you sit down, whoosh. Okay, now we're gonna do the world was ending. I want not to. What? Some complex shit here, man. If you're gonna say. Guys, I'm one will tell you I will not make this complex app because it takes quite the tails, wind, and other things. And I will make this after I complete all of these projects. If you want to, please comment down below. I will make it, but I don't have a time. Very little time. See, it's already 5. How will I show you local time? Our local time is 5 p.m. has happened. Let me just see you time. Oh, time, I mean time. Mm, time. Mm. Let's make our to-do app. So first one is and the second one is also coming. I could make other UI better, but not for the time because we are going to learn JS and I already have seen the CSS. Good, very good for its place, very good for its place, very good for its place. We have stupid people come here. If they come on, I'm not going to fucking get 10 hours second whether simple episodes come. I could have made it better, but firstly I don't have the required skill at the time. I also do have the required skill at that time if you wanna say that, but man, I don't want. Man, I'm just joking because I have to also make other projects. I wanna go on. I don't want to get into this process very deep because I also want to create a represent and what is a simple weather app, not complex weather app. So that's why guys. Sorry, sorry. Let's do that. Let's search in YouTube. Uh, No code. Ah, man. Ah, I thought you. Let's see this.
Hey, if you want to learn about AI, machine learning, or data science,
Let's
this is
see.
the competition for you. With over 8
Can you believe that this tiny piece of JavaScript code could have hacked your computer just by sending you a message on Discord? Yeah, this script looks tiny and harmless at first glance, but it actually triggers a memory corruption vulnerability in V8, the JavaScript engine used by Chromium, which is used by Discord Desktop. Discord is built on Electron, which is just like Chrome browser without tabs, but with added Node.js and desktop integration features, which introduce additional vulnerabilities. When we ran this JavaScript snippet in the DevTools console on a vulnerable version of Discord from 2 years ago, something strange happens. Check this out. We're calling the function foo repeatedly. On the first call, it returns a big negative value, -4294 and so on. But after running it in a loop for 0x 10,000 times, it suddenly changes to 1. How can the same function with the same arguments produce completely different results? Weird, right? What's even more interesting is that this behavior can be exploited. With a bit of modification to this JavaScript code, we can get a shell on the computer and run any program. Here I am opening a calculator as a
Friends, let's learn this.
Ever wonder how Discord manages to store 1 trillion messages? Their scaling journey is impressive. It started small in 2015, using MongoDB to store 100 million messages. But as user base exploded, Discord became unstable. In 2017, they moved to Cassandra. Things were okay for a while, but then mega popular channels started overloading individual nodes, slowing everything down. The solution came when Discord migrated to ZillaDB. It's written in C++ instead of Java. It eliminated expensive garbage collection pauses. Also great is its short per core design handles, so a viral channel can cripple the whole fleet. Discord also built a Rust-based service in between to deduplicate requests. This protects the DB under heavy loads. The results? Latency dropped from 125 milliseconds to 15 milliseconds on average. Ever wonder how Discord manages to store 1 trillion messages? Their scaling journey is impressive.
They have a database. I mean,
I made a really useful app that helps YouTubers respond to their comments.
okay, let's guys. I'm going to end the stream because in the next project I'm going to make the next stream. Bye.